Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how you can easily log into Mailchimp account using a desktop. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now let's jump right in. Open up a web browser, and in the web address bar that appears at the very top of the screen, type in www.mailchimp.com and press enter. You'll end up in the main official web page of Mailchimp, which looks like this. If you don't have an account yet for Mailchimp, click on Sign Up Free button at the top right hand corner and register yourself. Once you have an account, you can easily log into it by clicking on the login button right next to Sign Up for Free. You'll end up in the login page of Mailchimp, and usually in the first text box make sure to enter the same username that you created while signing up for your account. Head over to the next field and type in the password that you created while signing up. Make sure to type in your information correct. You can double check your password by clicking on the show link right above so that you can reveal your password. If you want to stay signed in with a particular device, click on Keep Me Logged In button beneath the login button. In case you don't remember your username, you can click on Forgot Username link and follow the on-screen prompts. Similarly, if you ever forget your password, you can reset to a new one by clicking on Forgot Password link. Finally, after you're done entering your information, that is your username and your password, click the login button beneath. Wait for a few seconds, and there you have been logged into your Mailchimp account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, as soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.